Good afternoon, students. In mensuration, perimeter and area topic we are discussing, and this is the next question. A room is 15 meters long and 10 meters broad. Find the cost of carpeting its floor if 1 square centimeter of carpet costs 2 rupees. Who's going to answer this? Harini, read the question again.
A room is 15 meters long and 10 meters broad. Find the cost of carpeting its floor if 1 square centimeter of carpet costs 2 rupees.
Okay. So, how to solve this question?
Sir, first we should find the area of the room, sir.
Okay. Area we can find, but you can check the final rate. The cost 2 rupees for every square centimeter. But the given dimensions are in meters. So first, shall we convert that into centimeters?
Yes.
So area is going to be, what is the area? Length is
1500 centimeters.
1500 centimeters. And what is the breadth?
1000 centimeters.
1000 centimeters. So this is going to be 15 followed by how many zeros?
Sir, 5.
50 centimeters square. But each centimeter square costs 2 rupees, right?
Sir, 1 centimeter equals to 2 rupees. Then 15 lakh centimeter equals to how many rupees, sir?
Yes, we are going to multiply by 2 rupees. So what is the answer?
Sir, 3 crores. Sir, 3 crores.
30 lakhs.
Sir, 30 lakhs.
Which option?
Sir, B.
Is it B?
Sir, yes.
D is correct.
Sir, D.
Yes, Harini. So this is the answer. We got 30 lakhs. Yeah, and the next question. In 2018 paper, we got this question. Find the area of the figure given below. So who is going to answer this question? Raise the hand if you want to answer. Yes, Harshvardhan, how are you going to solve this?
Sir, we want to first divide them.
Okay, how you are going to divide horizontal lines or vertical lines?
Sir, horizontal.
Horizontal lines, right?
Vertical.
Lines. Okay. So what are you going to do is, so you're going to take this part.
Sir, from that starting line to down, we want to get the 4 triangles. See, 4 rectangles.
Okay. Okay, I'm drawing the figure again. So this is a figure. So this is 2, 2, 2. This is 6. This is 2. This is 4. This is 4, and this is 2. Okay. Okay, so then you're going to divide this using horizontal lines or vertical lines?
Sir, vertical lines.
Okay, if you divide it like this, so how many portions are divided regions?
Sir, 4 regions.
Okay, let us say this is first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, right?
Yes, sir.
So first one, what is the area?
Sir, we want to use L into B formula, sir.
Okay, what is the length?
Sir, length is equals to 6 minus 2, sir.
I want, yeah, you are saying this one.
Sir?
What is this dimension?
That dimension is equals to 2, sir.
2, why? Because it is 6 minus 4, right?
Yes, sir. And
what about this?
Sir, it is 6.
No.
Sir, what?
See, if this is 2, this is also 2, this is also 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So 5 2s are how much?
Sir, 10.
So it's going to be 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can find the area of region 1. What is the area of region 1?
Sir, 20.
10 into 2 is 20. So we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 are having equal areas, right?
Sir, 1.
2, 3 and 4 are having equal areas.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 multiplied by each area. What is each rectangle area?
Sir, each rectangle area is 20, sir.
This one, I want this one.
Oh, sir, that one.
You
Sir,
want this shaded.
6 minus 2 is equals to 4, sir. So 4 into 2 is equals to 8, sir.
So that is 3 into 8, right? So 20 plus 3 into 8, what is the answer?
Sir, 20 plus 3.
3 into 8.
Sir, wait 1 minute, sir.
3 8s are how much?
Sir, 24.
24 plus 20?
Sir, 24 plus 20, 44.
44, yes. So let us say this is method 1. Now, can any student solve the same question in any other method other than this? Pranay, can you solve this in any other method?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I also want to tell in mathematical method.
Same method.
Yes, sir.
But will you try any other method?
Okay, sir.
Okay, try.
Sir, first we have to find total rectangle area and subtract from unshaded areas.
That means you want to connect these two so that it becomes a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
What is the outer rectangle area?
Sir,
What is this total length?
sir,
How many twos are there in this length?
sir, 5.
5 twos are 10, right?
Yes, sir, 10.
So first the outer rectangle area is 10 into
10,
breadth.
16,
10.
60,
So
sir.
which two we need to subtract to get the required area?
4 into 2
This one we have to
multiple.
subtract, right?
Sir,
2 into 4. How many we have? 2 we have. 2 into 2 times. So the answer is 60 minus 16.
sir, it is zoomed, sir, is equals to after I can't.
60 minus 16, how much?
Sir, 60 minus 16. 44, sir.
Yes, 44. So either we can solve it in method number 1 or method number 2. Okay. So
Okay.
Pranay, do it now. So we got this answer. So after dividing the region like this, by adding all of them, we got 44. Next question came in 2017 exam for descriptive exam for 5 marks. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meters wide and 4 meters long by squared tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meters, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. So he's going to answer. This type of question we already solved yesterday. Sabhiday?
Sir, sir, we should do area by area.
Come again?
Sir, the floor area and the tile area, sir.
Okay, what is the area of the floor of the room?
Sir, first
Area of the floor of the room.
sir,
Area of the floor.
yes, sir.
Yes, how to find the area of the floor?
Sir,
Floor is in
length,
rectangle shape. What is the area?
sir, length into breadth, sir, 12.
Yes, 4 into 3. And you have to divide by the area of this square of the tile, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What is the square area?
0.5.
0.5 into 0.5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to simplify. 4 threes are 12 divided by 0.25.
25.
Yes, how to simplify this?
Sir, we can convert the decimal point into the form. Sir, multiplied by 100.
Okay, if you remove the decimal, can I add zeros here?
Yes, sir.
So 1200 by 25. Yes? So we can write it as 12 into 100 by 25. Now 125 we can simplify,
Sir,
right?
sir, 25 ones, 25 fours.
So what is the final answer?
Sir, 48.
48. The number of square delts is 48. Okay. Okay, very good. You can mute.
Okay, sir.
So next question, 2017 exam only for 1 mark.
Sir, can I ask this question?
Yeah, it's very simple question. You can ask. Length of a rectangle is equal to
Sir,
what by breadth?
area by
Yes. We can write first area is equal to length into breadth, and we want to make length as the subject here. Transpose breadth to the left side. We get area by breadth, right?
yes, sir.
So the question mark is area. So what should occupy there? Area.
Area.
Abhida, you can mute.
Okay, sir.
So next question, 2016 paper. We got this question for 2 marks. So find the radius of the circle of a circle whose circumference is 79.2 centimeters, and given that pi is, we have to use 22 by 7. So who is going to answer this? Mayuk, read the question again. Mayuk, read the question again.
Find the radius of circle whose circumference is 79.2 centimeters, given that pi equal to 2 by 22 by 7.
What is the relation between circumference and radius, you know? Mayuk?
Sir, we have to find sir, if we have to find circumference, we have to use radius also.
Circumference, radius, what is the relation? Circumference formula in terms of radius.
2 pi r.
Yes, we can say C is equal to 2 pi r. Now circumference, how much is given?
So 79.2.
Okay, 2. Pi value what we can use?
Sir, 22 by 7.
22 by 7, and radius we need to find. So to find the value of r, what we can do, transpose the other things to the left side, right? So radius is equal to 79.2 into 2 transpose to the left side.
Sir, divide. Sir, multiply.
22 by 7 transpose left side.
Sir, 7 by 22.
7 by 22. Yes. Now simplify this.
Sir, divide 79 point. 79. Sir, we have to cut the
22 is divisible by which number?
Sir, by 11. Or
So
2.
check 11. This number is divisible by 11. You can check the divisibility rule by 11. 7 plus 2 is 9, right?
Okay.
So it's divisible by 11. So simplify using divisible by 11.
Sir, 72. Sir, 7.2.
11 sevens are 77 and 0.2. Okay, this is 11 twos. Now we're going to simplify this.
Sir, divided by 2. Sir, 2. Sir, 2 divided.
You want to divide again by 2. Yes, it is 3.6.
Yes, sir.
Again?
Sir, divided by 2.
Yes, 2 into 1.8.
Yes,
So what is 1.8 into 7?
Sir, 12.6.
12.6. Which, so this is radius is 12.6 centimeters. Mike, you can mute now. So we got the answer, radius is 12.6 centimeters. Next question, same paper, 2016 paper, and for 3 marks. John plans to tile his kitchen floor with square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeters. His kitchen is 2.2 meters long and 1.8 meters wide. How many tiles will John need? So similar type of question we discussed yesterday and today also. So who is going to answer this? Bhuvana, Rishikesh, Sharath, Rishika, Ritvik, Nishil, Jashmi, Nishika, Akshit, Varshita, Sriradhya, Vishnu, Shanai, Saharsha. You're not trying to answer. It's very simple, finding number of tiles.
What can I say?
Sanvi, can you read the question? Sanvi, can you read the question again? Sanvi? Daksh, can you read the question again? Daksh,
Where
can you read the question again?
John plays the
John plans to.
tile his kitchen floor with square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeters. His kitchen is 22 meters long,
2.2 meters long.
2.2 meters long, and 1.8 meters wide. How many tiles will John need it?
Okay, to find the number of tiles, what we
So,
have to do?
so 2.2 meters convert into
Okay,
centimeters.
2.2 meters if you convert into centimeters. How to convert from meter to centimeter?
10 into 100.
2.2 into 100. What is the answer?
So 220.
Yes, 220 centimeters into what is the breadth?
So 1.8 meters.
Convert into centimeters.
So 180 centimeters.
So this is the area of the floor. Then what is the area of each tile?
So, so,
Tile is in which shape?
so square.
What is the area of square?
So area. So 100.
Side into side. It is 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters. Now simplify this to get the number of tiles. First we can cancel the unit centimeter.
Yes, sir. So
Okay, now
0.
yes,
0.
0 cancels. Next.
So 22 into 18.
Yes.
So 22 into 18.
Okay, 22 into 18. What are you getting?
So 396.
Yes, 396. And divided by 10 means we can use the decimal points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 39.6 tiles. That means minimum how many tiles we have to purchase?
So 39.6.
No, 40 tiles we have to purchase. Okay, 40 tiles we need to purchase. In that 39 we are going to use full tiles, and in the remaining one tile only 0.6 fraction amount of tile we are going to use. That means 60% of the tile will be using and 40% will go as wastage. Okay, so how many we are going to purchase?
So 40.
40 tiles. Okay, so the answer is 40. So whenever you are getting the decimals or fractional form like this, go for the next number. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I think 10 we have not cancelled, right?
So, yes, sir.
If you cancel that 0, then we will be getting 396 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, this 40 is not the answer. So 396 will be the answer. So 22 into 18 will be getting directly 396 tiles. So we didn't check that 0. Okay. So this is about perimeter and area. And next, surface area and volume. So we have only two solids in your syllabus, that is cuboid and cube. Okay, let us discuss about both of them. So Daksh, you can mute now. So first let us discuss about cuboid formulas. So cuboid is a three-dimensional figure having length, breadth and height. So this is a cuboid. Let us say this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. So there are 3 dimensions. So what are the formulas you need to remember to answer the questions related to cuboid? So first, every face of the cuboid is in rectangle shape, and about the base area, if you call the base area is A, it is in the shape of rectangle. So base area is length into breadth. Perimeter of the base is 2 into L plus B because it is a rectangle. Now we call something like total. Before total, let's take lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means side walls. For example, if you are sitting in a room, so there are 4 side walls. If you add all these side walls area, you'll get the lateral surface area, or it is also called wall area. So you can see this is one wall, and where is the second wall? So this is the second wall, and where is the third wall? Third wall is this behind the first wall. So this is third wall. Where is the fourth wall? This is the fourth wall. So if you add the areas of all these 4 walls, you'll get the lateral surface area. So the first wall, it is a rectangle, L into H. Second wall, BH. Third wall, LH. Last one, BH. This LH plus BH is repeated twice. So we can write 2 times LH plus BH. And you can take H common again. That is 2 into L plus B, and take an H common. So this is the lateral surface area of the cuboid formula. This can also be expressed in another way, that is R. We know this 2 of L plus B is nothing but the perimeter of the base. So you can use it as P. Okay, so we can say PH directly. What do you mean by P here? Perimeter of the base. H means the height. So lateral surface area of the cuboid, you can remember either 2 into L plus B into H or P into H. Next, total surface area. So in total surface area, we don't have the floor and we don't have the ceiling. But in the total surface, in lateral surface area, we didn't have those two. But in total surface area, we're going to add all of them. So we're going to get LB plus LB, BH plus BH plus HL plus HL. So everything we are going to add. So it is 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. So you take 2 common. So you'll be getting 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the total surface area. And then the volume. Volume we already discussed. It is the product of all the dimensions. That is LBH. Okay. Length into breadth into height. So this is about cuboid. So if you just remember cuboid formulas, then Q formulas also will be very easy. But before that, one more thing is there, that is diagonal of a cuboid. So diagonal of a cuboid can be derived using the Pythagoras theorem. So diagonal means actually there are 4 diagonals possible. If you take this corner and try to connect by a line inside the cuboid, that is called the diagonal. That is one diagonal. Like that we have many other diagonals. If you take this point and connect, this is also a diagonal. Like that 4 different diagonals are possible. So all the diagonals are equal in a cuboid, and it's going to be square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So where is this diagonal applied? Sometimes you will be asked a question like, what is the length of the longest rod that can be kept inside a cuboidal box? Then the longest rod would be equal to the diagonal only. So the diagonal of the cuboid is given by the formula square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So any doubts in cuboid formulas you can ask. Doubts? Then we will continue with cube. Shreyash, what is your doubt?
Sir?
Yes. Shreyash, you joined late today.
Yes, sir.
Hey, late.
Sir, because there is no content added, sir.
You can check now in the live class tab, live class button will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, you said two-dimensional figures to find diagonal formula, but how to find three-dimensional figures diagonal formula?
You want the proof?
No, sir. Diagonal formula. Number of diagonals.
Number of diagonals.
Yes, sir.
So for the cuboid, we have, see, in cuboid, we have only 4 symmetrical number of diagonals, right? So 8 you divide into pairs. Okay. One vertex is exactly, one corner is exactly opposite to one other corner. Okay. So like that, how many pairs are possible? 8 divided by 2. There are 8 corners, and divided by 2, you'll get 4. 4 diagonals are possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this diagonal length is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. That can be proved with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we are not discussing now, but you just remember the formula is enough. Okay.
Sure.
And next, Vishnu, you have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Vishnu.
so what is P?
P means the perimeter of the base.
The perimeter of the base into height.
Yeah, perimeter of the base, if you multiply by height, you will get the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but the wall area. All four walls area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more important thing, that is, if they mention about only surface area, they didn't mention about which type it is, lateral or total. You have to consider total surface area only. Mayuk, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
the lateral surface means?
Come again.
The lateral surface means?
Lateral surface means which are on the side of the solid, that is side walls. Suppose you are sitting inside a room, right? It is surrounded by four walls.
Oh, sir.
Only those walls will come under lateral surface area. But total surface area means the floor will come and the ceiling top also will come. Amshuman, what is your doubt? Amshuman,
Sir,
what is your doubt?
why diagonal formula is used?
Why diagonal? I told you the application also, right? If they ask you what is the length of the longest rod that can be kept inside a cuboid, the longest rod that we can fit inside the cuboid is the diagonal only, right?
Sir, sir, we can kept also curve threads.
Come again?
Sir, we can kept also curve threads.
Not curved thread. They are asking about the straight line. The longest straight rod will be diagonal only. Harini, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, once explain that LSS.
LSA is nothing but the lateral surface area, four wall areas. The Harini, you can see the shaded one is one wall of the figure.
Yes, sir.
And where is the second one? So this is the second wall.
Yes, sir.
And the third wall is this behind the first wall.
Yes, sir.
And where is the fourth wall? This one. Just add all the areas, you'll get the lateral surface area. First wall will be L into H, LH. Second wall area will be B into H, BH. Like that, you add all of them and simplify. You'll get 2 of L plus B into H. Right?
Sir, we can count that 6 spaces are there, sir. We will
No, don't take all the 6 faces into consideration for lateral surface area. Lateral means only the side walls. Don't take ceiling or base. Okay. But
Okay,
whenever total surface area is there, then LB is going to add. So we're going to get 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Okay.
sir, then the formula will be 2 into L plus B into H.
Yeah, 2 into L plus B into H. That is the formula for lateral surface area. But 2 into L plus B is nothing but the perimeter of the base. We can also say perimeter of the base into H. Okay.
Sir, what is the proof of diagonal, sir? Means
Diagonal formula is square root of L. You want the proof?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proof is okay. Let us discuss. See here. For example, let's take the base here. Okay, base is in which shape? Rectangle shape.
Yes, sir.
In rectangle, every angle is right angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, what is the angle here?
Sir, 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Now, if you just connect it, okay, this is the diagonal of the base, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us say it is X. I'm not using D because D is already used for cuboid diagonal. I'm calling it X. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can I apply the Pythagoras theorem on that?
Yes, sir.
Diagonal square is or hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us call this equation 1. Now what I do is, now what is this?
Sir,
What is this one?
the breadth.
That is
Sir,
height. That is height. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And I'm now drawing the diagonal. So this is one of the diagonal possible in a cuboid. Connecting two opposite corners. The yellow color one is representing the diagonal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you can see this D H X. It forms a right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
And the right angle is formed between X and H.
Yes, sir.
So apply the Pythagoras theorem again. So you are going to get X square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All this equation 2. Now substitute equation 1 in place of x square. Already from equation 1 we know x square is equal to L square plus B square. So if we substitute x square in place of L square, then we get L square plus B square. Okay. Harini, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Harini, there is a power cut here. So actually my laptop charging level is nearly 70%. So if there is a disconnection before power connection comes back,
Okay, sir.
so cannot join again, I'll inform you. But we will continue the
Sir, your
discussion.
voice is not clear, sir.
I just connected by mobile data, so maybe that is the problem. Harini, am I clear now?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Harini, now substitute the value of x square here. So we're going to get b square is equal to, in place of x square, I'm writing L square plus B square plus H square. But I want d value, transpose square to the other side. You get d is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. This is the proof of the diagonal of cuboid. Okay. So we are applying Pythagoras theorem 2 times. Okay, Harini?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about cube. Sanvi, you have any doubts? Sanvi? Sanvi,
Sir,
you have any doubt?
sir, pH means what, sir?
pH means perimeter of the base into height. See this 2 into L plus B. This is nothing but perimeter of the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
That is already the perimeter of the base. That's why in place of that I'm using P. So it is becoming P into H pH. Okay. So
Okay.
we have two different formulas for calculating lateral surface area. Either we can say 2 into L plus B into H, or we can say perimeter of the base into height. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bhuvana, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Bhuvana?
sir, what is mean by TSA?
TSA means total surface area. In total surface area, all the surfaces we are going to add. How many faces are there for cuboid? How many faces are there for cuboid?
Sir, 6.
6 faces. Add all the areas of all the 6 faces. Then you're going to get the total surface area. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is about the cuboid formulas. Rishika, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Rishika?
sir, LSA means what?
LSA means lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means only the side walls we are going to add. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next we are going to discuss about cube. Yes, now cube. So after discussing cube, let us take some questions. So now cube. So cube, you need not derive all the formulas separately, because we can think every cube as a cuboid, but having all the dimensions are equal. So you can see length will be S, breadth will be S, and height will be S. Everything are denoted by S. Now everything is same, that is area of the base. For cuboid it was in rectangle shape, but for cube it is in square shape. So we already got LB, so we can say S into S, so you're going to get S square. Okay, let me write the cuboid formula first and substitute so that you can understand. Cuboid base area we got LB, so in place of L you write S, B also you write S, so it's going to be S square. Then perimeter of the base we got 2 into L plus B for cuboid. Now in place of L also you write S, B also you write S. So 2 into 2S is going to become 4S. We know it's the perimeter of the square. And then we discussed the lateral surface area. See, there are 4 lateral faces for cube, and you can write 4. And every face is having side into side, that is side square. So 4 into side square. Or even you use cuboid formula and substitute S in place of every LBH, you're going to get the same. And this also can be written as perimeter of the base into height, because perimeter of the base is 4S and height is S. 4S into S is going to be 4s square. So you can also write that. And total surface area. What is total surface area? All the faces you have to consider. So how many faces are there for a cube? There are 6 faces, and every face is having s square area. So total surface area is 6s square. And then volume. Volume of the cuboid, we said LBH. So in place of L you use S, B also S, H also S. So it's going to be S cube. Now diagonal. Diagonal formula already we derived, that is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So everywhere you use S. So it's going to be S square plus S square plus S square. It's going to be square root of 3s square. Now simplifying this, you'll be getting root 3 times S. Okay, let me write root 3 into S. That means this is the relation you should remember. That is, diagonal of a cube is always root 3 times of the side. And these are the formulas. Volume is S cube, total surface area is 6s square, lateral surface area is 4s square, perimeter of the base is 4s, area of the base is S square. So these are the formulas useful in cube. So any doubts in cube formulas you can ask, then we will go with the problems. Amshuman.
Sir,
Amshuman, what is your doubt? Yes.
sir, why you use that diagonal is equals to root 3 times of S?
Because if you know side, where you can find the diagonal of the cube easily, just multiply by root 3. Okay.
Sir, why the formula is correct, sir?
You can use the same Pythagoras theorem twice, again you will get the answer.
Sir,
Okay.
okay. Okay, sir.
So these are the formulas related to cube. Now let us solve the questions based on cuboid and cube. Area of the base, perimeter of the base, lateral surface area, total surface area, volume, and diagonal. So these are the formulas required here. So 2023 paper, you got this question. 3 cubes whose each edge is 4 centimeter are joined together to form a cuboid. Find the volume of the new cuboid formed. So who is going to answer this? Vishnu, can you read the question again? Can you read the question again?
3 cubes whose each side is 4 centimeters are joined together to form a cuboid. What is the volume of the new cuboid formed?
Okay, let me draw a figure first. So there is a cuboid, and there is one more cuboid, and there is one more cuboid. I'm sorry, cubes. So 3 cubes are attached like this to create a cuboid. Now, what is the edge of each edge of
Sir,
cuboid?
sir, 4.
For cube, sorry, for cube, what is 4? So this is going to be 4, this is going to be 4, and the height also going to be 4. These are the dimensions of cube only, but I want the cuboid dimensions.
Sir, so first we have to find one cube area.
Okay, we can do it in 2 ways. What you are doing is, you want to find 1 cube volume. What is 1 cube volume?
Sir, 4 into 4 into 4.
Yes, 4 into 4 into 4. Like that, how many cubes are there?
Sir, 3 cubes.
So just multiply by 3, you'll get the answer. 64 into 3. What is the answer?
Sir, 1 minute.
You can split 64 now and check.
Sir, 192.
Yes, 192 centimeter cube. This is method number 1. So Vishnu, can I also do like this method number 2? That is, I find the dimensions of the cuboid first. What is the length of the cuboid? 4 into 12, right?
Sir.
And breadth and height is no change. So what we can say, the volume 12 into 4 into 4. Again, you are going to get the same thing, 192.
Yes, sir.
So that's receive. So mute now. This is our. So I found length and then breadth and height. The answer 192. So 2023 paper. 2023 paper, you got this question. Diameter of one face of a cuboid is 40 centimeters. If the length and depth of this cuboid is centimeters and 8 centimeters, then find the volume of the cuboid. So let's say this. Shreyash, can you read the question?
Sir,
Shreyash, can you read the question again?
the perimeter of one face of a cuboid is 40 centimeters. If the length and depth of this cuboid is 13 and 8 centimeters, then find the volume of the cuboid.
Yes. First, let me draw a cuboid. Yes, this is a cuboid. And first of all, which dimensions are given?
Sir, length and height, sir.
Yeah, depth means if you are looking from the top, the height will be called depth. So height and depth are in the same sense. Okay. So it is
Yes.
13 and height will be 8. So breadth we don't know. Let us use x for breadth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perimeter of one face of cuboid is 40. So which face you are going to consider 40?
Sir,
Which face you are going to consider 40 perimeter?
sir,
See, I'll give you options. This is option number 1 and this is option number 2.
Sir.
Okay, which one you are going to consider? Option 1 or option 2?
Option 1.
Option 1 is not possible, Sriyansh. Why not possible?
Sir,
Option 1 means you said this one, no? This
Yes.
one perimeter 40 is not possible. Can you say why?
Sir, because 18 plus 13 is equals to 23 into 2 is equals to
It's not 23, 21. 21
Yes, sir.
into 2 is
21 into
42.
42, sir.
It's already more than 40. It's not possible.
Sir,
What about
I
this?
am talking about 1. Sir. I am. Did sir 8 plus x into 2 is equal
Okay,
to
no
40.
problem, no problem. If you want to take the perimeter of this is 40, then what should be the value of x? What should
Sir,
be the value of x?
sir, 12.
Come again, is it 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes, x may be 12. Okay, x is 12 possible. This is one case. Let's take another case also. So this is also one face of the cuboid only.
Yes, sir.
So for that also the perimeter may be 40.
Yes, sir.
So if the perimeter of that face is 40, what will be the value of x?
Sir, 7.
Yes, it is 7. So we have two cases are possible. Okay. Now if x is equal to 12, what is the volume we are going to get?
Sir, 13 into 8 into 12.
Yes. If x value is 7, what is the volume of the cuboid?
13 into 8 into 7.
Yes. You can check both the answers, which one is there in the options that you can choose. So 13 into 8 into 12. Can you simplify both of them?
Yes, sir. Sir, 130 plus 26.
What is the first one?
Sir, 130 plus 26. Sir, multiply.
No, tell me the final answer.
Sir, wait for a second, sir.
13 into 8 into 12. What is the final answer? Come again?
Sir, wait for a second, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, 1248, sir.
1248. Okay, what about the second one, product?
Sir, second one.
Yes.
Sir, 728.
Yes, 728. So which one is there available in the options for us?
Sir, 728, sir.
We have to go with this option only. Okay, answer C. But suppose if I give in place of option B something like 1248 centimeter cube, I give you, and option D I said either B or C, then which one you will be choosing?
Sir, option D, sir. B or C.
Yeah, why? Because yes, why? Because both are possible, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, your
Yes,
voice,
because 148 is not
sir.
found in any option. Then we can go for
Your
728.
voice is
Okay.
not clear, sir.
Actually, Shriyash, I joined with my mobile data because power is gone. So Whenever it is back, I'll try to connect
Okay, sir.
to Wi-Fi. Okay. So students, this is the answer, option C. Okay, Shreyansh, you can mute now. So we got 728, but 1 to 4 is also possible. So next question, 2022 paper's question. What is the side of a cube if its volume is 64 cubic centimeters? Who's going to answer this? To find the side. Very simple question. Arush, can you read the question again?
Sir,
Arush, can you read the question again?
yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the side of a cube? What is the side of the cube if its volume is 46 cubic
Arush, can you
meter?
read the question? Okay, then how to find the side?
Sir, then we have to divide it by 3 because uh, s cube is equal s into s is equals to volume of the cube.
First of all, what is the volume of the cube formula?
Sir, s into s or s cube.
S cube. And volume given how much?
Sir, 64.
64 cubic centimeters. That is equal to S cube. And I want to find the value of S. So cube we can transpose to the left side. Will it become cube root?
Yes, sir.
In square root cube root chapter, we discussed how to find the cube root of 64. And you already remember the cubes up to 12, right?
Sir, no, sir.
Whose cube is 64?
Sir, I think, sir, 4.
Yes, 4 is the answer. So the side of the cube is 4 centimeters. Simple question. That is option B. So Arush, you can mute now. So the answer is 4 centimeters. Next question came in 2021 paper. A rectangular tank 15 centimeters long, 12 centimeters wide, and 8 centimeters high was completely filled with water. Find the volume of water in the tank. Simple question. So who is going to answer? Shanay, can you read the question again? Shanay, can you read the question again?
Sir, the rectangular tank 15 centimeter long, 12 centimeter wide, and 8 centimeter height was completed filled with water. Find the volume of water in the tank.
So this is in cuboid shape. What is the volume of the cuboid formula?
Sir, the side, sir, 15 into 12 into 8.
Length into breadth into height. Length is 15, breadth is 12, and height is 8. So what is the product of these three? 15, 12, and 8?
Sir?
15, 12, and 8. What is the product?
Sir, wait, sir. Sir, 1440.
1440. Yes. What are the units? Centimeter cube, right?
Centimeter cube.
Okay, correct answer. It is option D. Shana, very good. You can mute.
Sir, can I hear you?
Yes, yes. So 1440 centimeters cube. So that is the answer. Next question came in 2020 paper. Is find the volume of a cube of side 6 centimeters. Ritvik, can you read the question? Ritvik,
Sir,
read the question again.
find the volume of a cube of side 6 centimeters.
What is the volume of cube formula?
Sir, side cube.
Side cube. In place of S, what you are going to substitute?
Sir, 6.
6 cube. You know 6 cube?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, 216.
216 centimeter cube. Which option?
The option A.
Ritik, isn't it very simple question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ritvik, you can mute now.
Okay, sir.
So 2019 paper, we got this question. What will be the depth of a cubical pond? Cubical means it is in the shape of cube, whose volume is 729 meter cube. Who is going to answer this? Abhyuday, read the question again.
Sir,
Yeah.
what
Abhyuday, yes, please.
cubical,
Read the question.
what will be the depth of cubical pond whose volume is 729 meter cube
Cubical pond means it is in which shape?
per cube?
What is the volume of cube formula?
Sir, side cube.
Volume given how much?
Sir, 729. Sir, we can
729 is equal to side cube. Yes. What is the next transposition required?
that cube. That cube we can transpose.
Yeah, cube transpose will become cube root, right?
Sir, S is equal to 9 meters.
Yes, 729's cube root is 9. Which option?
Sir, apple.
Yes, apple is correct. Today you can mute.
Okay, sir.
So the answer is 9 meters. Next question, 2018 paper.
Sir, I can attend the answer.
Okay, try.
A block of wood in the shape of cube. Its edge is 4 meters. How many rectangular pieces of dimension 20 centimeters and 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters can be cutted from the block?
Yes.
Sir,
Abhiday, do you remember that floor and tiles question? Floral
yes, sir.
tile. How we
Yes,
solved that question? Number of
sir.
tiles is equal to area of the floor divided by area of each tile, right?
Yes. Sir, here volume of the block and volume of the pieces of that rectangular.
Abhiday, your voice is not clear to me. Can you leave the class and join again?
Sir, now,
No, Abhiday, it's breaking.
okay, sir.
So anybody else is going to answer the same question? Yes, Pranay, can you try this?
Sir,
Yes.
a wooden, a block of wooden is in the shape of cube. Its edge is 4 meters. How many rectangular pieces of dimension 20 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 5 centimeters can be cut from the block?
Yes, Pranay, I was discussing with Abhyuday that floor and tile solution, you remember, right? Number
Yes,
of
sir.
tiles required. We did number of the area of the floor divided by area of each tile. So how we are going to solve this type of question? How many blocks we are going to cut?
Sir, first we have to find the cube volume.
Yes, after that,
Sir, after we have to find rectangular pieces volume.
then what we are going to do?
So rectangular pieces divided by cube.
A cube divided by the rectangular pieces dimension volume, right? But there
Yes.
is a problem here. Are the units are equal?
Sir, no, sir.
You want to convert all of them into centimeters or all of them into meters?
Sir, centimeters.
Okay, first cube volume in centimeters, centimeter cube. So one edge is 4 meters, but in terms of centimeters, it is
1600 centimeters.
no. See, first of all, you tell me edge is in 4 meters. No, convert into centimeters.
Sir, 400 centimeters.
Okay, what is volume of the cube?
Sir,
Volume of the cube.
sir, side cube.
Okay, can I write 3 times side into side into side like this?
Sir.
Okay, now you said you have to divide this by the volume of each cuboid, small cuboid. What is the volume of the small cuboid?
Sir, 20 centimeters multiplied by 10 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters.
Yes, next what are we going to do?
Sir, 0 cancel. 20 and 10.
First the units we can cancel, and then 0, 0 cancel. 0,
Sir,
0 cancel. 5 and 2 will make one more 0, right?
sir, yes, sir, 0, 0. I
This
get that.
10 and this 10 is cancelled. So what is the final answer?
Sir, sir,
4 cube, how much?
sir, 64.
Followed
So,
by how many zeros?
64.
64 followed by how many zeros?
Sir, 64,000, sir. Three
Yes,
zeros.
64,000. Option
Sir, option D.
D. Yes. Pranay, you can mute now. So the required number of rectangular pieces we will obtain by dividing the volume of the cube by the volume of each rectangular piece, that is going to be 64,000. Next question, 2017 paper. It's a descriptive exam for 5 marks. Find the number of cubical boxes. Cubical means the shape is cube of cubical side 3 centimeters, which can be accommodated in a carton of dimension 15 centimeters in by 9 centimeters by 12 centimeters. So there are some small cubes, cubical boxes. How many of them we can accommodate inside the bigger carton, which is in the shape of cuboid? So who is going to answer this? Neeraj, can you read the question again? Neeraj,
Sir,
can you read the question again?
find the number of cubical boxes of cubical side 3 centimeter which can be accommodated in a carton of dimension 15 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 12 centimeter.
You have to call it by, not into, because there are dimensions, no? 15
Yes, sir.
centimeters by 9 centimeters by 12 centimeters you have to call. Okay, how to find the number of cubical boxes which can be accommodated?
Sir,
How to find the number of cubical boxes? You
sir,
understood the question, Neeraj?
yes, sir.
There is a big carton which is cuboid shape and the dimensions are given. Some small cubes we are going to insert into it. How many cubes are possible? How to find it?
Sir, divide.
Divide what?
Sir, cube. Sir, volume of cube by
Yes.
volume of.
What is the volume of cuboid here?
Sir, volume of cuboid. Sir, L into breadth into height.
Okay, length is 15 centimeters, breadth is 9 centimeters, and height is 12 centimeters. You have to divide this by the volume of each cube. How to
Yes,
find the
sir.
volume of each cube?
Sir, S to the power of cube, sir.
Okay, can we
Side
write 2
cube.
times 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Then cut the units. Now you can simplify to get the answer.
Sir, 3 fours are.
3 fours are 12. Next,
Sir, 3 threes are.
3 into 3 is 9. This 9, this 9 cancel. So the answer.
Sir, 60.
Yes, how many boxes we can accommodate? 60. Okay.
60. Yes, sir.
Yes, Neeraj, you can mute now. So this is 60. So this is about surface and area and volume. You have to remember all the formulas. Now data handling. Some questions came in the previous papers from data handling also. First, pictographs. About these pictographs we already discussed. So there is a picture used and the scale will be given. So one picture is showing you how many articles. Based on that we are going to answer. So 2017 paper in descriptive manner you got this question for 3 marks. The number of girl students in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Here the important one is this. This is called the scale. That means one picture is equal to 4 girls. So one picture is representing 4 girls and each class the number of students is given and you can see some half faces also. So one full face is equal to 4 girls. So one half face is equal to obviously 2 girls. So this is about pictographs. Now we have to answer one by one. So who's going to answer this question? Yes, Daksh, can you read the question?
Sir,
Yes, read the question from the beginning.
which class has the maximum number of girls students?
Okay, tell me the answer.
Sir, sir first.
So it is class 1, right?
Yes, sir.
To say the answer, is anything required to solve this?
So no, sir.
Just by looking at the length of the heads, then we can say class 1 is going to have the maximum number of girl students. But if
Yes, sir.
I ask the number of girls in class 1, what you will be saying?
Sir, 6 into 4.
There's 6 faces, each face representing 4 girls. 6 fours are 24. The strength of class 1 is 24. Very good, Daksh. And second, option B. B question. Who is going to answer? Rishika, can you read B?
Sir,
Read B, question B.
is the number of girls in class 5 less than the number of girls in class 3?
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just by looking at the number of faces only we can answer. So two
Yes,
and a half faces in class 5 and 5 faces in class 3. That means definitely class 5 is having less students than 3. But if
sir.
I ask how many less, if I
Uh,
ask how many less, then what is the answer?
sir, 14.
First, you find the number of faces. In class 3, 5 faces are there. In class 5, two and a half faces are there. So, what is the
Uh,
difference between 5 and two and a half?
so, 20.
5 faces and two and a half faces. 5 and 2 and a half. What is the difference?
3.5.
Come again?
So, 3.5.
Why 3 and a half? Two and a half only. 5 minus two and a half. Two and a half, no?
Yes, sir.
Multiply two and a half by 4. You'll get the answer. Simplify this.
So,
You
5
can
by
use
2 to
distributive
4.
property. Two and
Sir,
a half. Can I say 2 plus 1 by 2?
sir, 10.
What Rishika?
Sir, 10.
Okay, 10 you got correct answer. So, simply what you can do is two and a half you can split in your head 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 into 4 is 8.
8.
Half into 2 is 2. We can add. So you get 10.
10.
So how many less? 10 less.
10 less.
Okay. Very good, Rishika. And next, who is going to answer B? C. Srivastav, can you read question C?
Sir,
Read the question C.
how many girls are there in class 7?
Yes, answer.
Sir, 3 into 4.
Yes, 3 into 4. How many?
Sir, 12.
12 girls are there. Yes, this is very simple question. So, next question. So the next question is we got option. The question A is 24. Question B is 20, uh, and question C is 12. After pictographs, we have histograms. So we discussed about bar graphs already. Histograms are nothing but the bar graphs. So here also the scale is very important. That is, every box is indicating how much it will be given on the vertical axis. Okay. So the following graph represents the activities taken up by grade 5 students in a particular school. Study the graph and answer the following questions. So student activities are given. What are the student activities given on the x-axis? Debate, theater, swimming, dance, and painting. So the number of students involved in that activity are also given with the bars. So their height is representing the number of students. So debate 15, theater. So between
Sir,
10 and 15, more close to 10 than 15, and swimming more than 20 but less than 25, dance between 15 and 20, and painting is just more than 15. So who is going to answer this 71st question? Sanvi, can you read the question?
Sir,
Yes. Sanvi, read the question.
Sir, from first onwards.
No, only this one, these two lines.
Okay, sir. How many more students choose swimming and has compared to debate?
Debate. Debate means there is a topic given and two groups are divided. One group will be arguing in supporting the statement, and one group will be arguing to oppose the statement. That is debate. Okay. Swimming. How many students are involved in swimming?
Sir, 22.
Yes, it is more close to 22. Because you can approximate 20 and 25 exact marking is not given, but you can approximate that to 22. Okay. And
Okay.
debate,
15.
debate 15. So if you subtract, how many more?
Sir, 6.
22 minus 15 is 6.
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, 7.
7 is correct answer. That is option D. So this is the answer. And next question. 72. Question number 72. Who is going to answer? Ritvik, can you read 72 question?
Sir,
Can you read that question?
yes, sir. How many students choose dance?
Yes.
Sir, 17.
17.
Yes, sir.
Do you think is it more than half or less than half? This part.
Sir, less than half.
No, it is more than half. You try to zoom if you can. It's more than half. That means you have to consider 18.
Okay, sir.
So less than half means you can consider 17. So the best approximation is 18. It is more than half. So we can go for 18.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And 20, this one, 73rd question. How many students were there in the two least popular activities? Who's going to answer this? Sriyansh, can you read the question?
How many students were there in the two least popular activities?
Okay, what are the two least popular activities here?
Sir, theatre and debate, sir.
What is the first one?
Sir,
Theater activity.
theatre and debate, sir.
Theater, how many?
Sir, theatre 12, sir.
Yes.
Debate 15.
12 plus
20,
15.
27.
27, yes. And next question. Who's going to answer this? Harshvardhan, can you answer?
Yes, sir. What is the total number of students in grade 5?
Yes.
Sir, first debate is 15.
Yes.
Sir, next theater 12.
Theater 12.
Sir, next 22.
Swimming, yes, you can take 22.
Sir, dance is 18.
Yes.
Sir, and painting is 16, sir.
Yes, very good. Now we have to add this.
Sir, 16. Wait 1 minute, sir.
So use compensation method, I told you now. Take 2 from this number and give that 2 to this number. Both of them will become very easy, right?
Yes. Okay, sir.
So this 16 wants 4. So where you can take 4?
Sir, it is 15, sir.
So this will become 11 and this will become 20. Now, isn't it very easy to add now?
Yes, sir.
So add now.
Sir, wait. Wait. Sir, 83.
Yes, 83. Which option?
Sir, option ball.
Yes, it is B.
Sir, we want to take this approximate or
This is approximation only, not exact, because if the on vertical axis the between 20 and 25 If 21 to 24 lines are shown, we can take the exact value, but this question is about approximation. So one more question is also there on the same picture. Bhuvana, can you read this? Bhuvana,
Sir,
can you read this?
the number of students who choose painting is dash more than the number of students who choose theater.
Yes. Painting, how many?
Sir, 17.
Painting 16. It is just more than 15, not 2 points. See, you can visualize this space into 5 equal parts. Then you can, best approximation is 16, not 17. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then what about theater?
Sir, theater 12.
Yes, 12. So between 16 and 12, which operation they required to be done?
Sir, subtraction.
Yes, because they're asking how many more. Yes, 16 minus 12.
Sir, 4.
For which option?
Sir, option D.
Yes, it is option D. Yes, Bhuvan, I can mute now. So students, successfully we have completed the revision part under the crash course for mathematics. All the chapters we have revised. So what are they? Number system, factors, multiples, fractions, decimals, natural numbers, fundamental operations, simplification, conversions, square root, cube root, algebra, unitary method, ratio and proportion, time and work, percentage, average, profit loss, simple interest, distance, speed and time, geometry, mensuration, and data handling. So all these chapters. So what I suggest is today you go through all the chapters and go through the important models, okay, and the formulas and the short tricks, whatever you have written in the online class notes. I have given very clear notes, the shortcuts wherever we are using. So mathematics is very important. You revise all of them first. Then English and GK regularly we are practicing, and even the intelligence also. Most of the people are scoring good in intelligence. They are scoring more than 20. So those who are scoring less than 20, you need to concentrate intelligence also. Okay. So that's it, students. Our crash course is completed for Sainik revision. So um, big thank you from my side who joined regularly the classes on time and listen to the revision classes. So definitely I think your subject is improved with this crash course. So thank you so much. You may leave the class now and don't waste the time. Keep revising the things. You may leave the feedback of this Sainik School syllabus revision crash course in the chat box and you can leave. Give your feedback on crash course in the chat box and you can leave the class. I can see still students are present in the class. Leave your feedback in the chat box before you leave the class.